Feeling run down? Got aches, pains, or some mystery ailment you've been Googling? Before you panic and WebMD yourself into thinking it's the end, let's talk fruits. Yep, those colourful little miracles in your kitchen can do more than just look pretty in a bowl. Today, I'm counting down 10 ailments you didn't know fruits can help cure. And trust me, number 1 is a game changer. Let's get fruity. Got that scratchy throat? Lemons aren't just for cocktails, they're loaded with antibacterial properties that can kill germs in your throat. Plus, they help break up mucus. Gross? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. Did you know lemon juice can lower your body's pH levels, making it harder for viruses to thrive? Nature's disinfectant. Leg cramps waking you up at night? Skip the sports drinks. Bananas are a natural electrolyte powerhouse. They're rich in potassium, magnesium and calcium, all of which help prevent muscle spasms. Medical fact, bananas can also regulate blood pressure because of their high potassium content. So, they're good for your muscles and your heart. Hey viewers, have you ever had a cramp so bad you thought you'd never walk again? Share your horror stories in the comments. Tossing and turning all night? Instead of counting sheep, try counting cherries. They're one of the few fruits that contain natural melatonin, which helps regulate your sleep cycle. Studies show that drinking tart cherry juice can increase your sleep efficiency, meaning you'll fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Sweet dreams. Feeling swollen or achy? Pineapple isn't just for pina coladas, it's packed with bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation and helps your body heal faster. Medical fact: bromelain has been used in post-surgery recovery to reduce swelling and pain, and hey, if surgeons trust it, maybe you should too. Struggling with breakouts? Instead of buying expensive creams, grab a mango. Mangoes are rich in vitamin A, which helps reduce skin inflammation and prevents clogged pores. Medical fact: mangoes contain beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, and that promotes healthy skin cell turnover. Glow up, baby! They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but did you know it can keep cholesterol levels in check? Apples contain pectin, a type of fibre that binds to cholesterol and removes it from your body. Medical fact studies show that eating just 2 apples a day can lower your bad cholesterol by up to 16%. Who knew Granny Smith was that powerful? Feeling scatterbrained? Avocado to the rescue. The healthy fats in avocado, particularly omega-3s, are essential for brain health. They improve focus, memory, and even mood. Medical fact: avocados also contain folate, which reduces the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Feeling dehydrated? Watermelon is 92% water, but it also contains electrolytes like potassium and magnesium that help your body rehydrate faster. Medical fact: watermelon also contains citrulline, an amino acid that improves blood flow and helps reduce fatigue. Grapes aren't just a snack, they're a natural vasodilator, meaning they help relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Medical fact research shows that grape polyphenols can reduce the risk of hypertension and improve overall cardiovascular health. Basically, they're heart-healthy candy. Okay, here's the big one. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants that help fight off free radicals, unstable molecules that damage your cells and can lead to cancer. Medical fact studies have shown that pomegranate juice can slow the growth of prostate cancer cells and reduce breast cancer risk. Talk about a superfruit. There you have it. 10 ailments you can treat with fruits. So next time you're reaching for a pill, why not try nature's remedy instead? Remember, health doesn't have to be complicated, it can be delicious. Question for you: which of these fruits are you adding to your diet? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a healthy boost. Stay fruity, stay healthy, and remember, An apple a day keeps the doctor away, unless you throw it at them.